The next step, run. In this step, there are three important parts to take in consideration. Action plan. We must state constant measures that are critical to improve our process. This constant measure will register on a plan that should contain dates which must implement the constant measure or require activity. Are responsible to implement the constant measure. Be careful not to return to the state. Develop the future state. Keep the focus of the goals of the project team. Create a diagram of the future status of the board of visual support. And use brainstorming if the team leaves the original idea. Create the VSM future state. Finally, monitoring and evaluation of results. The team will follow up with graphics problem on a daily basis if possible. The last step, evaluate. This step is the last and the most important. There are many important parts to take into consideration. Presentation of results. Project page, header, list of team members, scope and objectives. Policies measurable of the current state, distance, space, time, cost, defect, process mapping, data collection, observation, analysis and findings, implementation. By having good results, we define that the problem is in control and we must get to put in procedures or registered by the Department of Manufacturing Practices. This in order that the improvements are not lost and new people trained with these new procedures. As to expansion, this means that once having controlled variables, Kaizen can be expanded to other locations. For example, if we improve the speed of machine, the improvement that took place can be copied to other machine process. Evaluation. The evaluation of each group can be a meeting once a year, but it is recommended to do with groups which activate the annual target. We encourage groups to have continued for the next year, and one way to do it is rewarding the winner. Tracing. Team leaders set weekly or bi-weekly reviews until all actions are complete. Plans 30, 60, and 90 days. Track data for several months. Check checkpoints. Roles of Kaizen. Keep an open mind to change. Having a positive attitude, express your opinion, create an atmosphere of cordiality, practicing mutual respect each day, treat others as you want to be treated, one person, one vote. No question is silly, it's not magic, up is sleep is to work smarter, understanding the difficult process. Advantage of Kaizen, reducing inventories, goods in process and finished, decreasing the number of accidents. Reduce equipment failure and tools, reduce machine preparation times, increase levels of customer satisfaction and consumers. Finally, the Institute Kaizen, which is dedicated to consulting work to implement continuous improvement in business by applying Kaizen management system managers to increase the profits of companies belonging to sectors is based highly competitive.
Created using Powtoon.